Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you how to attempt the short answer questions. We already know the how to attempt the long answer questions, but we all always are in a dilemma how to attempt the short answer questions. See, we have a shortage of the time in the examination also, and shortage of the answer sheets also. So what to be added in the short answer question, what not to be added, we cannot decide at that moment. So we have to prepare ourselves beforehand to attempt the short answer question. Today I came with the topic of concept of Vedanta, like Vedanta educational system. So first of all, as we have started in our long answer question from the introduction, we will start short answer question also from the introduction part only. Introduction should be of 2 or 3 lines only. So let's start with the introduction topic. Introduction is Vedanta is originated from the Upanishads, that is known as Himalayas of the soul, and it is originally used in Hindu philosophy as a synonym. Next is the main schools of Vedanta: Advaita Vedanta, Vishvishayata Vedanta, Devyata, Shuddha Devyata, Achintya Veda. See that Vedanta philosophy mainly provides a contemplate methods of self-inquiry leading to the realization of one's true nature, that which is not subject to death, decay or decomposition. Vedanta is nothing but a teachings of the Upanishads, the Brahma Sutra and Bhagavad Gita. The oneness of self means Jiva, with absolute consciousness. Consciousness means God is the goal of Vedanta. Education during the Vedic period was a third eye of insight and source of illumination. See, this is mainly the introduction part. Next is the aims of education during the Vedanta period. See, main aim of educations are Tamso Ma Jyoti, Jyotiranga Maya, individual centered education, nature oriented education, religion centered education, and education of mind. These are the main aims of the education. Now the education you have to write in the short only. Don't explain any of the part in the short answer question, just write the main points only. Education implication. First education implication is the all-round development of the child. All-round development like social development, moral development, intellectual development as well as physical development. Second is the equality of opportunity, education for self-sufficiency, discipline and pupil-teacher relationship. Next is the subject of the studies, commercial educations and Vedic mathematics. Next are the methods of the teaching. See, I have added all the main points in the short answer question. Next are the methods of teaching. Methods of teachings are hearing, practice, recitation, comprehension, inference, explanatory matter, evidence of the proofs, that is a conclusion. Next is the role of the teacher. What will be the role of the teacher at the time of Vedanta? The teacher acts as a guide, mentor, a role model and a friend. Curriculum. Subjects like Vedas, with sound system, knowledge, religion, rites, grammar, ethics, Purans are there. Discipline. Rigid rules are there, main code of dress are there, celibacy, etc. And don't forget to write conclusion. Conclusion should be also 1 or 2 lines. You have to conclude every question at the last. Conclusion is Vedanta was the origin of education. In this period, education was placed at upmost source of illumination. That's all, my dear students. Now you got an idea how to attempt the short answer questions, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Kindly like and share my video. Thank you.